Professor Kokaia, scientists have been working to advance medicine for years and for decades. And may I ask you, what makes the brain such a difficult organ to repair compared to others?
Well, there are several factors actually in making brain unique from that perspective, from a genetic perspective. To start with, brain is not homogeneous tissue. In the liver, for instance, you have the hepatocytes and then some blood vessels, some other epithelial cells, 3, 4, 5 type of cells. But even neurons, there are dozens of different neurons, neural cells in the brain. Moreover, what is unique for the brain that these all neurons, in order to make function, to execute the function, they need to be connected. And then sometimes this connection is quite far away. The brain neurons, which are sitting in the cortex on the surface of our forebrain and the motor cortex, they send their axons, their wires, communication tool down to the spinal cord, and that connection might be up to 1 meter. So this communication, receiving the signals and sending the signals, makes a brain unique structure. And then number of these neurons, these are millions and millions, and many of them are interconnecting, and the diversity of these neurons. And by their composition, by the transmitter or this communication molecule which they are using, some of them are excitatory, they are sending the positive signals. Some of them are inhibitory, they are inhibiting, stopping the other neurons to communicate to each other. But it's really very complex. It's like a computer network, which makes it very, very difficult to intervene. And also keep in mind that the brain represents only 2% of our body weight, but it consumes 20% of the blood oxygen and nutrients, which also indicates that this is a very energy-dependent organ, and it is working day and night very hard to maintain the functionality of many different organs in our body.